So guys, when it comes to what lot size should I use, you would use this on the application, the application. And you have to remember, it's not really a one size fits all. You have the options between static risk and dynamic risk. I actually have made a complete video just solely talking about static and dynamic risk and the differences. However, just briefly on this, you would essentially use static risk, i.e. your full 2% or your full 1% or 5%, whatever you wish to risk trading. You would use that on a scalp right away because you're only going to get in for 10-15 pips and then you're going to get straight out, okay? When it comes to day trade, you can absolutely use static risk if you wish and just jump in at your 2% right away. Many people do it. I actually do it many times as well. It doesn't mean that you can't do it. It's just a safer way if you're starting off in trading and you're still new, is not to jump in with your full risk right away when you're still like, oh, is it going to go up, is it going to go down, because you don't have that confidence yet, you know. You want to jump in. So if you're going to risk 2%, what you would do is, instead of jumping in with a 2% risk instantly and potentially getting a loss, a stop loss and hitting your loss, what you would then do is, you would split that 2% into 4. So you would enter a trade here of 0.5%. Once that rises up, you would enter another 0.5%. Once it rises to a certain level, you would enter another 0.5% and another 0.5%. So you have entered 2% in the trade, but you've broken it up. So if maybe you get 3 of them and in the 4th one, it pulls back and stops your 4th one out, it doesn't matter because you've already made money on the first 3. You see what I'm saying? It's a much safer way when you're a beginner at trading. That is pretty much it on this video. Let me just double check. Yeah, scalp and day trade, obviously swing trade and stuff, it's the exact same principles that you would use. So when you're saying, you know, what is my lot size, that's what you would do. I have a video as well of how you would enter a trade. You can check that out, it's quite long. And you know, some people that are new to Forex, when they come here, they don't even know how to place a trade. So I have actually made a video where I show you on here how to place a trade. Alright, that's essentially it. So thanks very much. I'm Ryan Mack. Welcome to the Trading Guys. If you'd like to check us out or even join our community, we have a fantastic community set up that you can subscribe to on Telegram and on our website, where we don't just give signals. I know I say it in every video, but I hate saying signals because it's not. It is a setups group. So before anything happens, we will say to you, right guys, today we're looking at GA, which you can see here. Once it breaks this previous resistance support line, we're going to take this for a quick trade. Now we will tell you, is it going to be a scalp, is it going to be a day swing, whatever. So this would potentially be a day trade because you have such a clean range here. But what we would do is we would advise guys, okay guys, look, we're now up 45 pips. I would now recommend that you close half of your position or close 80% of your position. Move your stop losses to break even and let the rest of a 20% of whatever your order was run for a potential runner. That way, if this does not run and it pulls back and stops you out and starts going long, it doesn't matter. Why? Because you've already closed 80% of your position, your stop loss is already break even, and if it hits you, you haven't lost any money. So we pretty much run that, as well as teaching people how to trade on our platform. We also give you the exact same trades that we personally enter ourselves. And we call it earn while you learn. So you can earn money by following and copying our trades that we give. We don't just give a signal so you have to buy now. We give you it well in advance so you can watch it. And even if it moves and we, for whatever reason, haven't been able to get to the phone to put into the group, you can take the trade yourself because we've already told you, look, you're waiting for this candle to break here. If it does, then you enter the trade in this position here, take it short. So we already pre-warn people and preempt them, so you can take it yourself. And it's just an all-round fantastic group. We've got tons of videos for you to learn, and we have like constant support. We have admins at the trading platform, and we ourselves, if you have any questions, you can approach myself, Ian or Lee. We will answer any questions that you have. You can subscribe to us and join us at www.thetradingguys.com, or you can follow us on any social media platform: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, the lot, and it's all the same, The Trading Guys. Okay, thanks very much for watching. I hope this brief video has been useful for you. And if you're at home, you can also buy charts like this, guys. Now look, there are so many different positions here that you can trade from. Now, me personally, just to give you an insight, from all of these options here, I'm very, very selective. This is, and I keep it very simple. I trade this, and this. That's all. These 6 here is all I touch. It's all I ever trade. If I don't see this, I don't bother trading. I don't touch any of these. Not to say that you can't. I have traded the odd one before, but it has been the odd one. These are the easiest to spot, especially if you're a beginner, and they pan out, you know, plus 80% of the time, much more than 80% of the time. These formations and shapes will pan out in your favour. Although on this chart it tells you that your entry is here, I was always taught that your entry is here, you know, so it's a little bit different. But this is the safest entry actually, so yeah, this chart is really just keeping you right. I just place less risk here, and then once it passes here, I already close the position 80%, and then I add to the position again for the second part of my percentage risk. So that's how I do it. But these charts can be bought in pretty much any online shop, all your famous ones, and you have these. This is very, very useful. You can also buy this one if you wish. Candle patterns chart. We're actually going to make up Trading Guys ones and give them out to our members for free. But until that happens, if you want to buy them quickly, you can buy them online yourself. They're pretty cheap and they are worth the weight in gold. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this brief video has been useful for you, and don't forget to check us out at www.thetradingguys.com. I'm Ryan Mack. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.